and to learn Urdu. Subscribe to my channel to get the daily dose of a Urdu lesson. So let's get started.
Assalam-o-Alikum guys. I hope you're fine and having a good. So guys, today we're going to start our lesson number 26, which is a very short lesson but interesting one to learn Urdu. So we're gonna learn how to say good morning in Urdu. A very short lesson but a very lovely lesson. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So, to say good morning in Urdu, we use a single phrase which is Subha bakhair. Read after me. Subha bakhair. Subha bakhair. The word morning means Subha and the word good means bakhair. So you can say Subha bakhair. So guys, that was your lesson number 26. I know it was very short but a very interesting lesson. You can now say good morning in Urdu. So practice this lesson and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it. So until next time, Khuda Hafiz.